Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some really great all-natural cleaners using essential oils. I do enjoy making things like this because it is really inexpensive and budget-friendly. That is what my channel is about, budget-friendly items. So I want to show you guys what I bought for this and what I'm going to be using. So I got on Amazon and I ordered this book. It is Essential Oils and Aromatherapy. There is more than 300 recipes for this, and I've been looking through it, and there's so many awesome benefits. It's like $10, which I definitely think it was worth it because it shows you more of an explanation. I kind of hopped on Pinterest and tried to like figure out how to make certain things, but then it wouldn't tell you exactly how to make it or like what to use, what to add, how many drops. It's just like, oh, this is really great for this. This is really great for this. And so this is absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna start out by doing some all-purpose cleaners, some bathroom cleaners, and then I might work my way into some rollerballs. For those of you who are new to oils and essential oils and don't know anything about it, I think this is a really great video where you can start learning about them. I'm also learning along the way, so I definitely think that between this video and a little bit of help from this book and just showing you guys some products I think you will definitely need for your essential oil beginner's journey. So I want to start by making some cleaners. I picked up these amber glass jars from Amazon. These ones are 16 ounces and then you get, I think, an 8 ounce, a 4 ounce, and then you get 10 milliliter roller balls. We're gonna just jump into an all-purpose cleaner because who doesn't use all-purpose cleaner? It says you're gonna need vinegar, water, and 20 drops of an essential oil. So let's just start there. So for this, these bottles came with a funnel. So I just put the funnel in the top. I'm using tea tree and peppermint oil for this. I'm using 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of vinegar. You could do a cup of vodka, you could do a cup of alcohol, a cup of apple cider vinegar. It's all up to you what you have. I'm just using vinegar. Like I said, there's other options for you. I'm just gonna be doing 20 drops of peppermint and 20 drops of tea tree oil. I am actually doubling the recipe that was in the book just so I have it for a little bit longer. And then after every single time you mix something, just shake it up really well. Okay, so this is how much 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water will give you with 20 drops of each. I did double the amount that the book said, and I used tea tree and peppermint oil. You can use whatever you want. If you want to use lemon and lavender, make it smell nice and calming. I chose to use these because they are a nice like antibacterial, disinfectant cleaners in one. So that is why I use those 2 oils versus like a lemon, or you can use orange. You can use really any kind you want, just depending on what your all-purpose cleaner you want it to smell like. So I know also you can make all-purpose cleaners with vodka because that is like one of the #1 like disinfectant cleaners. I'm not going to go that route, so just let you know I do know that you can use that. You can use alcohol. You don't have to use vinegar. So anyways, that was just my choice to use vinegar. So I'm gonna be doing a toilet cleaner. So I'm gonna use another one of these 16 ounce glasses. These are the biggest ones that they came with. This you're gonna need 18 ounces of water. So what, 2 1/4 cup of water. Castile soap. I actually purchased this Quinns on Amazon. You can actually, I wasn't really sure what this soap was, but it is, you can use this for all kinds of stuff. I did not know that. You can find it like by the hand soap area, but this is like for so much. You obviously have to dilute it with like water, but you can use it for like body wash, shampoo, baby wash, pet shampoo, multi-purpose, like cleaning sprays. You can also like clean your car with it. There is just so many uses out of this. I had no idea. But anyways, this was like $13. A little bit goes a long way with this. So we're gonna do toilet cleaner. So it's gonna be like a spray cleaner. So instead of using bleach, we're gonna be using this. We're gonna be using 1/4 cup of this. Lavender, lemon, and tea tree oil. So I have all of my oils right here. I like getting everything set up first, so I'm not scrounging around. For the toilet cleaner, you'll need 18 ounces of water, a 1/4 cup of liquid Castile soap. Castile, I know I'm going to say that wrong. 4 drops of lavender, 4 drops of lemon, and 4 drops of tea tree oil. And I will leave all these recipes in the description box below, so you guys will be able to reuse these. This Castile soap, I actually like looked at the pronunciation online. But it's almost like an oil. It's like made out of all different sorts of oils, and I had no idea. And like I said, these are just the oils that I'm using, 4 drops of each of them, and then I just mixed it and shook it up really, really well. Okay, so now I'm going to be using another one of these little spray bottles. I think these are 10 ounces. And I'm going to just be doing a window cleaner with this. And all you need is vinegar, water, and lemon oil. So I just have this big thing right here I'm using. So you need 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So we're just going to do 4 tablespoons. And I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to make your own cleaners. And I've only used, what, 4 or 5 essential oils. So you really don't even really need a ton of different essential oils. Especially if you're just wanting to learn how to make a few things. I don't clean the windows very often, but it'd be nice just to have something laying around. And by the way, you guys can use whatever essential oils that you want to use. You can definitely like have better smelling essential oil mixtures than I do. But like I said, I'm just kind of going for the disinfectant part of everything right now versus anything else. So where's my lemon oil? Lemon oil. 12 drops of this. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you just add water. You probably should add like the water and vinegar first. I don't really think it matters, to be honest, but I'm just gonna go fill this up with water real quick and then shake it really well. All right, then now I'm just gonna put the sprayer on like this. Like I said, these are the amber glass. You can probably find a little bit cheaper ones, but I just love the way these look. I think they're so pretty. So that is just what I was going for with my cleaners. This next one, I'm doing a DIY air freshener. You're gonna need a cup of water, 8 drops of eucalyptus, 8 drops of lemon, and 8 drops of tea tree oil. You can definitely add like lavender, lemon. You could have something that smells really, really good. But this smell is really potent because of like the eucalyptus and tea tree oil mixed together. We have animals, so anything that will get the animal smell out is absolutely amazing. I definitely recommend this. Make sure you test it on a different spot so it doesn't ruin your furniture or your wood, and then just shake it really well. Okay, this next DIY I'm going to be making, I was thinking of doing rollerballs, but I think I'm going to do this instead because everybody needs hand sanitizer right now. First off, wash your hands with soap. It'll work better than hand sanitizer. But if you're at the grocery store, you're in the car, and you know, you go to the gas station, you need something to put on your hands. You can't just wash your hands. Hand sanitizer. So I have some aloe vera gel from Simply Earth. So normally that's where I get all of my essential oils from. And we're gonna go in with a spritzer. I like the hand sanitizer that you can spray on. I just love that for some reason. This is what we are going to make. I'm gonna explain this just a teeny tiny bit. I'm gonna be using witch hazel. You can use vodka if you choose to. I would just prefer not to put vodka on my kids' hands. I get it, but witch hazel doesn't have like a huge disinfectant in here, so that is where the essential oils come into place. Tea tree oil is amazing, amazing, amazing. I can't say that enough for disinfectant, antibacterial, all that. So we're gonna use tea tree, lavender, witch hazel, and aloe vera. You're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of witch hazel. So we're just gonna put that into this little bottle. I love this set that I bought off of Amazon because it comes with these funnels. So for the hand sanitizer, I totally messed up with the recipe. I did not like the one that I found on Pinterest. I have already made a DIY hand sanitizer, and I will leave that link in the description box below because this one was an absolute disaster, and I have made a better one. Okay, so this one was definitely a trial and error. I have made DIY hand sanitizer before, but never like in a spritzer. I got this off of Pinterest. I am not going to link it because it does not work. I cannot get it to come out of this, which I kind of was curious about that because aloe vera is so thick that so anyways, I put some in here and then I just put the other in here. This is a really great little container to throw in your purse if you were going to make this. Don't put it in a squirt bottle because now I'm going to have to take all this out and find a little home for it. So soft. This is the softest thing I've ever felt on my hands. So definitely use the witch hazel, aloe vera, tea tree oil, lavender oil. Like, that is amazing. Like I said, this just did not work. But you know what? We're doing a little bit of trial and error here anyways. The next I'm making, I know works because I've used it before. It is for headaches. I cannot tell you enough how many headaches I get per week. So like I said, the box I got came with little roller balls. So we are just going to do this. So you're gonna need peppermint oil, lavender oil, and frankincense. So I got my lavender here. So I need to get my peppermint and my frankincense oil. You are going to need a carrier oil for this. So a carrier oil is something that you are going to mix with your essential oils. So you obviously don't want to use just a bunch of oils, rub it all over your face, because it's probably going to irritate your skin or burn it. So I use this carrier oil right here. It is 100% all natural coconut oil. You could use almond oil if you want. This is just my choice to use coconut oil. So I'm just going to take my roller ball. You're going to just add your drops of I'm going to do lavender first. So I'm going to do 5 drops of lavender oil. Alright, I'm going to do 5 drops of frankincense oil and then 10 drops of peppermint oil. And always add your oils first because your carrier oil is what you're going to fill the rest of the amount with. So you're going to see, I don't know if I can show you through these amber jars. Your essential oil is actually only this far down. The rest is going to be filled with a carrier oil. So we are just going to squirt this in here. Fill that up, and you got your little topper, and just kind of put that right on the top, and then shake it super, super, super good to mix the carrier oil along with all of your essential oils. So yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. I love to do DIYs, budget-friendly decor, budget-friendly anything. But till then, I'll see you guys next video. Bye!